Look, y'all, not gonna lie, I have a major problem. Let me go ahead and show you. Alright, so look, right here is my iPhone 16 Pro, everything like that, and then y'all can probably tell. Just look at this. Like, you see the corners? This is my screen protector, dog. Like, this thing is cracked. It's chipped. It's just really, 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 really bad. Like, just look at that. This looks insane. Like, all this just looks insane, okay? And I thought I had a pretty good screen protector, but obviously, I guess I don't. Alright, so today we're gonna be fixing that. So, went on Amazon, and I got this tempered glass screen protector by ronz. This is not sponsored or anything like that, but it says it's pretty good. All the reviews are pretty good, so we can go ahead and test it out and try it out on iPhone 16 Pro, because this is just rhino shit. Like, I ain't gonna let y'all dropping the ball, bro. Alright, so opening the case, right, taking out the box. Go ahead, slide it out real quick. Move the box out the way, okay? Actually, we're gonna need the screen protector. But move everything else out the way, okay? So here, this is what we melt away with, okay? So we're gonna take this out. We got not one, but we got two screen protectors, which is awesome. We also got some camera cases, you know, to protect the back of our camera, which I don't really use because my Caseify case does a pretty good job of like having like a little bump right there. So I'm really not gonna use that. I also kind of have a whole bunch of these. Okay, well. Then we have some things to clean our phone, of course, because you can't have bubbles on that thing. And then lastly, we have the case to install it. And another screen protector, maybe? Oh wow. I guess there's already one ready to be installed. That's kind of cool. And then just the instructions how to do it. And of course, we got some dust removal tools right here. Alright, so overall, this shouldn't be a super hard process. So let's go ahead, clean off the phone, wipe it down, and get this thing installed because we need a new screen protector like ASAP. Alright, so first things first, let's remove our old screen protector. Which, yep, there we go. Look at this thing, it's just all cracked. Like, this is terrible, dude. Hey, watch your fingers. Okay. Now, the good thing is, it did protect the screen. Yeah, like, it's still, like, almost like a brand new screen. But the screen protector itself, like, it's not that durable. Like, you can just bend it like that. Like, that's not really good, and it's all messed up now, as you can see. So, throw that out the way. Let's get a new one on. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, use the wet wipe. Just gently, just wipe off the phone. Just like that. Nothing too crazy. Now we got to get these corners, so I'm going to cut it real quick and be right back. Alright, you guys, so once you make sure your phone is super duper clean, what you want to do, you're going to grab one of these tabs right here with the little light sticker at the bottom, right? You can connect the white sticker to this part right here. Right, you want to just press that in. Alright, so after you do that, what you're going to do, you're going to grab the blue part at the top. And it's going to be a little thing where you can slide this underneath here at the bottom. Okay, just like that. Alright, so after you guys situated, what you want to do, you want to grab the case part. You just want to put it right over your phone. Okay, just press it in. A little something like this. Okay, just want to kind of press it in. Okay, what you want to do next, you want to pull this blue tab out. And that's going to make it stick to the phone, okay? So, let's go ahead and do it. Alright, so here we go. I got the blue tab down here. It's all pressed down. It's all ready to go. Right? I'm just going to pull this tab out. So, let's go ahead and try it out. Just like that. Looks like it came apart just a little bit. So, we can go ahead and just pull this out manually. Just like this. Pulling the sides down. And now, what we should be able to do, we should be able to look at our phone like, okay, what you want to do, you want to swipe across like this, swipe across like that, okay? And then after that, guys, we're almost done, trust, right? Just want to just press it down just a little bit, press it down just a little bit. As you can see, the bubbles are starting to kind of go away. So we just want to get it away. That's the design right there. Press that down just a little bit, just like that. Make sure you try to get all these bubbles out, okay? And now, final step, is we're going to lift the yellow part. So, just carefully do it. And as you can see, the screen protector is now on there. Whoops. Okay. Now, it's on there. And now for the final part, just look and see any small bubbles, which I do have some. So, once again, we're just going to try to just force these bubbles out here. Alright, y'all, just like that. Screen protector all good. No bubbles in it. Next, well, it's a little bubble right here I just seen, but very minor. I can correct that with my little pinch tool. But yeah, no, that's it. Alright, y'all, if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, look, man, go ahead and pick you up. Got this thing for like $10 on Amazon. Came with 3 screen protectors. So if you mess up the first time or the second time, you'll be fine. Or if you break 1 or 2, you'll be fine. You got 3 of them. Just don't break all 3 of them. But yeah, y'all, that's been a tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed, and ronz out.